Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, guys. Side. So today I'm going to be showing you how I package my slime. And this is not a local slime shop because I haven't got to that yet. I don't have the good containers and stuff. But I do give it to YouTubers and to my friends and stuff. So yeah, sorry if you want to order this, but maybe someday I will come out with it. So the first slime, well, not first slime, this box. So this is my box and it says slimy_queen, which is my name. As you can see, it's not a printed label, it is hand drawn and taped. And this is a very sturdy box. It has creased corners. It's really nice. So as I open it, usually it's gonna say what you ordered right here and how much that costed. So first off, it's gonna have this cute, it's gonna have a cute notebook, I should say, because this is my notebook. I'm just trying to show you what it would usually look like. This is my notebook, and so I'm not going to give you this exact one, but it would usually be really cute. And I think it will always be cute. And once I get better containers, because I do not have that good containers, you're going to have three. There's going to be a lot. There's going to be 9 slimes in here, I swear. And some extras, so it's gonna be crazy, but it depends how big you want your size to be. So really, these are 16 ounces. And so yeah, I'm gonna get on with the first slime. So the first slime is called Pico de Gallo. My bubby made this one and it's really good. So let's go and do some ASMR. So it looks like this. It's a pink slime with a lot of confetti and glitter in it. There's sequins, and it's super soft. Get that out of the way. So I'll do some ASMR for you. It has really good, clicks. If I can get it. It has really good clicks. And it's super stretchy and has good bubble pops. They're not like the thick slime where they have thick slime and it's when you pop it, it's really loud pops. These are more subtle pops, but they're still really good.
You want gold?
That's my lovely brother. If you didn't know. So this is that slime, the first slime. Set that back in the box, and the next slime I made. So basically, I helped my brother make that one, but this one I made. It's called lemon meringue cookie dough. It's a yellow slime, and that's it. There's nothing in it. It's just yellow, but it's super soft. It's a butter slime, obviously, because cookie dough soft. I don't know. And it's really good. I love this slime. The bubble pops are decent. They're actually really good as a butter slime, as is. But the spread texture is so nice. I'm going to put it in a tiny ball and set it right here. And I'm going to try to spread it all the way to here. So let's go. As you can see, it did work. And it got smaller as it went. So I'll do some ASMR for you. Alright, that's all I'm going to do because I don't want it to get too long. So this last extra that I usually give, it's not going to be this exact one. It's a green slime, but it's like clay, basically. There's this is made with a tiny slime. Like the slime itself was like super small, like that big, and then I added a lot of clay to it, and it's super spreadable now. And I'll show you how spreadable it is. It's not, you can't spread it very far, but it's super nice, and it's kind of too thick. Oh god, that was terrible. But yeah. So yeah, that I'm not gonna do too much of that one. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you how I package this. So these 3 slimes came in the box, and about this much. In this box. So as I already said, it's gonna have what you ordered, how much it was. So usually, first I set in my Pico de Gallo slime right here, and my lemon meringue cookie dough, and I shove those to the very tip. Then I put this right here. Then I put in my extras and a note. And then close it, and I close the box. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. After I close this box. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you subscribe, like this video, turn on the notification bell so you're always notified when I come out with a new video. And yeah, make sure to follow my TikTok, Gaia_music123. Yeah, Gaia_music123. And right now I have 81 followers, and I'm trying to get to 100, and that's not that much, but I mean, decent. So guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and bye. Thanks for watching.